Latest on the transfer rumors. Sekuphume umbiko omusha sha kuthiwa amaZulu asemfuna back uBenny McCarthy. Before ayele phesheya wayecoacha yona i-team. Njengoba sebemfuna back nje abafuni yena kuphela kune-list yabo coach ababafunayo uma uBenny McCarthy enqaba. Kulabo coach laba kubalwa khona uMorena Ramoreboli abamaziyo bamazi kakhulu njengalo coach lo washaya iOrlando Pirates last season kuma qualifying rounds ye-Champions League ashaya kuma penalties. Ucoach ayijoining Galaxy. So amaZulu ungomunye wocoach abamfunayo le kuSuthu. Ucoach olandelayo uBradley Kennel. uBradley Kennel ulo coach lo walanda uNjabulo Blom kuKaizer Chiefs. Wamlanda uNjabulo Blom kuKaizer Chiefs. I think it was 2022 or 2021. Ube coach team yaphesheya iSt. Louis City. Lo coach lo sewabi assistant coach eOrlando Pirates before amove ayele phesheya. Okwamanje akanayo iclub because iSt. Louis City sathanda kumdedela nje. AmaZulu ngenzeka amthathe na because njengoba akanayo iclub okwamanje nophuma phesheya. Ungucoach wala eSouth Africa uyabaza abadlali bala eSouth Africa. Ucoach ulandela uStuart Baxter. Naye lo Stuart Baxter akanayo i-team. Wadedelwe i-team ade icoacha last season ngo-2023. Abaningi bamazela kweKaizer Chiefs nakuSuperSport seke wacoacha nakuSquad sebafana useke wacoach. Ungomunye wabaqeqeshi abakwilist nayo ukwilist yabocoach abafuna amaZulu. Coach olandelayo uMushin Etugal. uMushin Etugal yena kuhlukile kwakhe uyi-assistant coach ye-team i-country yaseTurkey. Yabo uyi-assistant coach yeTurkey. But recently ngisambone kakhulu la eSouth Africa. Recently ngempela ngisambone la eSouth Africa mningi kakhulu la. Uloke shaya ama-interviews, ushaya ama-podcast yabo balokhu bem-interviewa nje kaningi. So ngenzeka ukuthi amaZulu akhulume naye yabo abi potential new head coach of amaZulu yabo. Naye ukule list le yamaZulu. Ucoach olandelayo uBenny McCarthy. uBenny McCarthy kuthiwa he's the leading man kulabo coach labo. Yabo okungenzeka ngempela ukuthi abuyele abe ucoach wamaZulu yabo. Wazwile amahemhem kuthiwa uVusumuzi Vilakazi ngenzeka abe the new head coach. For me I think uVusumuzi Vilakazi inkulu kakhulu makhulu kakhulu amaZulu for yena yabo. So by choosing these guys ahead of him yabo is the right choice. Mhlambe bangamlanda mhlawumbe bazobe assistant noma bazobe part of i-technical team yabo athi ukufundela kubona labajita labo beshaya inkinga mhlambe akhuphulwe kabe new head coach. But for now I feel like kusasa eli kakhulu. Uma ukhumbula into yenzayo uKaizer Chiefs noKevin Johnson yabo kwathi kubheda ucoach weKaizer Chiefs kwalanda uKevin Johnson ecoacha izintwana zeKaizer Chiefs kwathiwa akazocoach abinde new head coach of iKaizer Chiefs. Kwase kwenzala into eyenzeka iKaizer Chiefs yangaperforma kahle. So amaZulu I feel like babona into ecishe ibe njalo. So ingakho beopta for uBenny McCarthy yabo. But ke izinto ayikaqondi kahle ngenze uBenny McCarthy bangamkhethi bakhethe abanye ocoach lo bade ngibabala. So ngokweni umuphi ucoach enibonayo ukuthi okay angaba ucoach oright for amaZulu kulabo coach engisithanda kubabala. For me uBenny McCarthy is the right choice noma uBradley Kennel yabo.